How to make Netherite Pickaxe in Minecraft. So first, just craft your Diamond Pickaxe. So I'm just going to craft it right here. You'll need 3 diamonds and 2 sticks. You get your Diamond Pickaxe. Now once it's done, you will need to get your smithing template and your ancient debris, which you can get on Nether. So just go to a furnace, then put the ancient debris right there. So you will need at least 4. So wait for it to finish melting. Once it's done, so just to get the netherite scrap, then go to a crafting table, put the netherite scrap right there. Now get your gold ingot and put it right there. Then after that, you will get your netherite ingot. Now simply get it. Then get your smithing table, place it on the ground, get your diamond pickaxe, then get your smithing template, place it right there, then get your netherite ingot. After that, you will now have crafted your netherite pickaxe. So just simply get it, and now you can just use it anywhere you want. This will basically make a netherite pickaxe in Minecraft.